Hey guys, I'm out road tripping today. I'm capturing some of Tennessee's fall beauty. Well, Melinda, why aren't you at work? Scotty's at work, yes. But I have quit my job.
Love you. Have a great day.
Poor Scotty. But somebody's got to support this travel habit. I've quit my job of 20 years. To kind of start moving us forward in the direction where we want to be. I am YouTube's newest full-time creator, I guess you could say. I'm pretty excited about it. Scotty and I are still gonna be doing our adventures together, but I'm gonna be finding adventures on my own. So just keep that in mind, especially if you're in Tennessee. I'm ready to do collaborations. I'm gonna be doing meetups. I'm gonna be out there trying to find all of you. I am so excited about this new journey for me. So I hope to see you out on the trails.